जीने की कोई तू वजह दे दे, एक ये हो गया. If I will sing like this, who will listen? Nobody. So if I will sing like that, है दिल ठहर जा, जीने की कोई तू वजह ढूंढ ले. If you want to use monotonous, try to use this word in a sentence. Like if you are reading any vocabs through dictionary or through Google or whatever, try to make a sentence of it. Like how to use this vocab in a sentence. Once you use in a sentence, then you know the context of using these vocabs.
If you are focusing only on quantity, then it won't work like that. If you are uploading your
Yeah.
2 videos in a week, that is also sufficient, but it should be like knowledgeable and other people are learning from your videos. That is a good thing. But if you are doing same thing again and again and uploading 2 to 3 videos in a day, so I don't think so it is good for us as well. And now also I am also not watching others people videos because it's kind of same. Like they are just
Um,
doing the conversation like on the same things again and again, so that's why.
so boring, when you listen a song, just keep just guess this thing. Like if a singer will continuously upload a new video on the daily basis, if he upload a new song, daily, you started feeling monotonous from that singer. Why? Because he really wants to do something new. Like just suppose there is some song, I am just going to tell you that "ऐ दिल ठहरे जा जीने की कोई तू वजह दे दे", एक ये हो गया. If I will sing like this, who will listen? Nobody. So if I will sing like that, "है दिल ठहर जा जीने की कोई तू वजह ढूंढ ले". So what is this? They put their expression, they put their feelings into the song.
Yes.
In that way, if you really want to speak good English, then you have to put your feelings, your heart and soul to the conversation.
Yeah,
And
right.
that's what I want. That is why I said it.
Yeah, everything matters, our body language, our eye contact, our facial expression, everything matters here. It's not only about that
Yeah.
you have to speak English only, you have to build your all the skills like
Yeah.
public speaking, confidence level, and all these things. And especially listening also. I have seen that some people are just speaking and speaking. They are not listening to other people. They are not listening what other
Obvious.
people are saying. They just think like that if I speak a lot, then I can improve my English very fast. I have seen most of the people are doing this. We shouldn't do this. We should give time to other people also what they are saying, and you should focus on like what kind of knowledge they are sharing with you. So you have to be constantly listening to them, like, and you can also learn from them. So it's a good habit if you are learning and listening to other people also.
Absolutely true. Very true. It's always been said, if you want to become a great speaker, then you have to be a great listener. Why? Whatever you are speaking, you already know. And
Yeah.
if you are listening someone, then definitely you are going to learn something from that person. And when you listen someone, you started putting some things, putting some kind of question. You are doing mind making, that you can ask some questions from those persons.
Yeah.
If you started, only want to speak and speak and speak, then the person with whom you are talking, he will, get bored with you. He will feel
Yeah.
like this is. It's always being judged with these things, that if you really you are a great listener, then definitely you are a great speaker as well.
Yeah, correct.
So measurement is happens in this way, and not that how many times you're speaking. J- just just think that if you are speaking continuously, and if it doesn't make any sense, sense is very important. What you are saying should be logical and rational. It should not be like that. Whatever your mind is saying, you are, spiting here. It is a YouTube channel. It is not something that you are doing in a home. People will not watch you. People will not like you. Otherwise, if you are making for the memory purpose, then it's okay, fine.
Yeah.
Some people are uploading videos for the memory purpose, so then it's okay. But if you are a beginner, then you should try to do, try to learn something new before uploading any video. Otherwise, you will keep uploading and bombarding with your content on the YouTube channel. It will become a garbage. It is a place of garbage. Nowadays, everyone is putting these kind of videos. I want people upload videos, but try to give us something new so that we can learn. Got
Yeah.
it?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, absolutely right.
Yeah. So you still don't remember me?
No, no, I can recognize you.
I will send you that link. I will send you that link, and you have to watch that video. It was, I think, I think my 13 or 14th conversations with you.
Yes, by face I
Oh,
can. I have recalled you when I saw first time you, but
mm.
I can't able to recall like what's your name and all these things.
You know why I said that, whether you recall me or not?
Mm-hmm.
Because if you have recalled me, like, for now, I was about to ask you that how is my improvement. You can tell me better. With whom I have done a sessions, he can tell me better that where I stand right now, whether I have some kind of improvement or not, or I
Yes.
am at the same place where I used to be. Then no more, then no purpose of doing this kind of sessions, putting a lot of times, putting data, putting, uploading videos, editing, a lot of parts are there. We can put this time somewhere else to learn something. You know,
Yes. Yeah,
for
definitely.
me, for me, improvement is very important. Otherwise, there is no meaning of doing this kind of sessions.
Yes, yes.
How is your IT sector's job? I think recession is going on.
Yes, we can say that it happens like, but if you have good knowledge and skills, then you won't have to be
Still,
bothered about this thing. I have seen that yes, most of the people say like this that recession is going on like this. But if you have good knowledge and good skills about latest technology and latest thing, then you don't have to bother about much. Yeah, definitely it may be that you will be unemployed for 1 or 2 months, but if you have great skills, then you can definitely get a job in a very short time.
so in which company you are working right now?
I'm working in TD Synex.
Okay, that's great. And after BTech, and now you are doing a job. Now you're also making a lot of times to put videos on the YouTube. So, do you get that kind of messages from the people that they want to learn English? Are you teaching online English?
No, I'm just doing it for my interest, I would say. And yes, some people who they are sending email to me, then definitely I'm replying and I'm doing the conversation with them also. And if I can give any kind of suggestion to them, then definitely it would be very, pleasure for me that yes, I can help other people because I have faced a lot of difficulties, lot of problem in my initial days. So if any kind of suggestion if I can give to anyone who are beginner and who want to improve their communication, then I can give.
Okay. So now what are you doing? Like, you also crossed the intermediate level. You are on the upper intermediate level, I can say. So what other else things you are doing nowadays? Nowadays, if I'm talking about, so
I
YouTube, what you are watching, what you are learning.
I still think that I'm not using advanced vocabulary and all these things. So yes, I have to work on these things, and I'm doing other things like listening and reading sometimes. So yeah, it will help me, I think, to build my vocabulary, I think.
If I talk about nowadays,
Mhm.
then what do you think? Where are you liking? It is only the vocabulary part.
Yeah, I can say this vocabulary part.
Okay. Okay.
Because I
Really
can
strong
totally
vocabulary.
understand and I can totally give the reply also on any topic or anything. But yes, sometimes if the other person are saying any advanced vocabulary, so I can understand also sometimes. It happens that I know the meaning of that word also, but I have observed that I am not using those words in my conversation. Whatever word you have told me that I can understand their meaning also. But I have observed myself that I am not using any kind of advanced vocabulary words in my conversation. I'm talking with you for last 20 minutes, but still I'm thinking that I haven't used any kind of different vocabulary words here.
Okay, we will play a game on this. But before this, I want to say something. You said that you want to use advanced vocabulary in your, sentence structure when you are framing, when you are talking. So
Yeah.
for this, what you have to do, you must have learned so many advanced vocabulary late. Am I right? But you are unable to use it. You know why?
Mm-hmm. Why?
It is just because you are not trying to make sentence from it. Just suppose,
Mm-hmm.
like you have learned a vocab. Okay. Just suppose any vocab. It could be any vocab. Just I am going to take an example. You can take like, there is a vocab called exact. Just tell me any vocabs if you want to use in a sentence. Tell me. You can
Like
tell me.
like monotonous.
Monotonous.
Yeah.
Yeah, like if you want to use monotonous, try to use this word in a sentence. Like if you are reading any vocabs through dictionary or through Google or whatever, try to make a sentence of it. Like how to use this vocab in a sentence. Once you used in a sentence, then you know the context of using these vocabs. Otherwise, in between the conversation, you will be unable to use because you don't know the context that if there is a word, how to use it. If you really
Yes.
want to use it, then you have to make a sentence of it. Otherwise, there are a lot of vocabs in the dictionary. You will learn maybe. You can do the rectification, but you will be not able to use it in your sentence structure. So now, uh, uh, as I said that we are going to play a game. The game is that you have to use your one vocab, take some time, and use in a sentence.
One vocab.
Any vocab, advanced vocab, it can be. If you say, I can tell you something. Okay,
Yeah.
can I tell you?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know the meaning of mammoth?
What?
Do you know the meaning of mammoth? Mammoth means very big. You know?
Mammals. Hmm.
Yeah. So you have to use mammoth in a sentence. You can tell me a sentence while thinking. You can take some seconds and think like how to use mammoth in a sentence.
Uh,
You can use a simple sentence.
yes, I have seen one. What was the word?
Mammoth.
Momo. Mammals. I have seen a
Yeah.
big mammals. Uh, I have seen. No, I'm not able to like.
Look, it happens now. It is
Yes.
happening because we are not using in a sentence. And that is why it's happening. It's very simple.
Yes.
Okay. We can say that Burj Khalifa is very big. So we can say it like that Burj Khalifa is very mammoth or Burj Khalifa is mammoth. There are some synonyms as well, like you can say Burj Khalifa is colossal. Colossal means also very big.
Mhm.
So it happens because we are not using in a sentence, and you will be
Definitely.
not able to use any kind of advanced vocab in your sentence if you are not using or making sentence. You can make a sentence in Hindi and then English as well in your
Hmm.
notes, and then you can use it. Try to use it intentionally. That I
Yes.
have to use it, I have to use it, I have to use it. So in
Yes.
this
Yes.
way, yeah. Okay, Tanuja, first tell me, am I visible?
Yes. Yes. You are.
Some people are very fool. You know why? They are calling me directly without even asking me that whether I want to do a session or not. In between the sessions, they are calling directly. They don't
No,
have any
it's a
sense,
very bad manners. Yeah.
and they don't even know the sense. Maybe that person is busy. Maybe that person is doing a session. They are calling me directly again and again, and I have to block those persons.
Yes.
Might
Yes.
be while watching this video, they can say me that I'm a egoistic kind of person, but I'm not. You know, you can
Yes.
drop me a message. If I will be free, I will be going to reply you that okay, let's do our session. So these
Yes.
kind of things happens. Tanuja, what I told you, because I have learned these things when I was preparing for SSC CGL examination. Teachers told me that if you really want to enhance your advanced vocabulary kind of things, then you have to use it in a sentence, and then you have to use it intensely in between the conversation.
Yes,
Right?
yes, yes, definitely. It happens most of the times we are just getting the words, and I am searching the meaning also, but I am not making the sentence, and I am not trying to use actually. I am just saying that I am not able to use, but it is my fault. I would say that I am not trying to use it. I know that I have to use, but we have to do it intentionally, as you told earlier also.
Intentionally.
Yes.
Yeah, intention very matter. If you say, I can give you another tip.
Sure.
The other tip is that go onto the Wikipedia for 15 minutes daily and read anything. You can read any article. There are a lot of people who are writing anything and they are expert. Believe me,
Yes.
not anybody can write anything. This need a kind of intelligence. You should have any kind of knowledge or kind of experience. Then only you can write anything. So when you read anything on the Wikipedia on the daily basis for 15 minutes, you will see that there are a lot of new vocabs they are using in between the sentence. You can see how they frame structure, and while reading, you can learn these things, and you can use in between the sentence through unsubconscious way. It will not. use any kind of practice. You can use it, and in this way you can learn it. And that's all I will say. So
Yes,
for today,
definitely I'll
I
try.
want to for today I want to end up this season. It's already been 26 minutes, and a lot of people are directly calling me in again and again. I have to do some
Okay.
other seasons. But for today, it's a wonderful, lovely conversations with you. I hope I will see you for the third time.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. And thank you so much for your suggestion as well. I will definitely try.
Okay. Bye. Take
Thank
care.
you. Bye. Take care.